Meaning of deltoids.
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 Deltoids. Deltoids refer to the group of muscles located at the upper part of the arm and the shoulder. They are commonly known as the shoulder muscles and consist of three specific muscle heads: anterior, lateral, and posterior. The deltoids are responsible for various arm and shoulder movements, including abduction, flexion, and extension. Strong deltoids are essential for maintaining good posture, stabilizing the shoulder joint, and improving athletic performance. Training the deltoids involves exercises such as overhead presses, lateral raises, and front raises, which can enhance muscle size, strength, and definition in this area.